Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Microsoft Store signing error that say sign in again then try again or authentications failure. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-tap yung command keyword na WS reset. Ayan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So kaya ginagawa natin ang WS reset command para mag-default setting yung ating Microsoft Store. Alright, so and hope na na-resolve ang issue. But if they still having an issue, do this another solution. So close lang natin to. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, kailangan mo lang select dito yung time and language. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa time and language, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung language and region. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa language and region, so ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung region. Under nito ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung country or region. Okay, so dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na yan and dapat nakaselect dito yung ating country or region, dapat magkatugma. Kung saang lugar ka, dapat ay tugma dito sa ating computer system. So for example, nasa America or nasa US, so dapat nakaselect din dito yung US, mga kaibigan. Kung sa ating country, Philippines, dapat nakaselect lang ito. Alright? And hope na na-resolve yung issue. But if still the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong settings. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung network reset. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung network reset and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. So this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So makikita mo kaagad dito yung network reset, and then dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset now. And then, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung yes. Right, so after dito, so close lang natin tong settings and dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Store sign-in error or authentications failure. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.